Now I further move to the unseen poem. Here also you have to read by stanza twice or thrice till you understand the theme of the poem. So the first point which I want to discuss with you, that is, look at the title, form and its shape. Then you read aloud in your mind. That is the poem which you have to read stanza by stanza in your mind. Then you think about the voice, that is the voice, who is the speaker. Then think about the subject of the poem and its setting. Then look at the words which are used, identify the repetition, and think about the theme, that what the poet wants to tell you. After doing all this, then look at the rhyme and the rhythm of the poem. Rhyme and the rhythm of the poem means here that you have to see the words are, rhyming words are also there in the poem. So you have to locate it. After that, you have to identify the poetic devices such as similes and metaphor. Now, what are these poetic devices? These are the similes and metaphors are used as a figures of speech. Whereas similes, that compares the two different things in an interesting way. Whereas metaphor directly state a comparison. Now here, the similes are like metaphors, but the metaphors aren't similes. So the words, like for example, if I say life is like a box of chocolate, so this is as a simile. Now here the words use as like. The words like or as to compare things are used in similes. If I say example of metaphor, my life is an open book. This is metaphor. The other example of simile I can take you, that is, the baby is as cute as a button. So here the word I have used as, right? So these are the figures of speech. Next we come to the imagery words that point the pictures in your mind. Then think about the mood of the poem, whether it is positive or negative. Then consider the message of the poem, that what message the poet wants to give you, and how does it make you feel after reading the poem. So this is all about the unseen poem, which you have to keep in mind and study it carefully, the unseen poem, as you have to give at least 5 to 8 minutes to understand what the poet wants to tell, and find out the answers in each stanza and then answer it in your own words. To do it, I'll share with you one worksheet of unseen poem, unseen passage and one picture composition. So I suggest you, all of you, to complete the homework and try to find out. Thank you.